Well, hello there. Welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow. Annoyingly bad news. As you can see from our previous vids, it's start of the year and we're all getting set to go away in the caravan. Got it all ready, and we're going to book the next weekend to go away, and we've also got something booked after that as well. And there's a problem with development with the tow car. The clutch pedal when I'm driving, sometimes in sort of slow moving traffic, I've got a set of tech. Sometimes in slow moving traffic, I press the clutch pedal in to change gear, and as I release it, instead of it popping all the way back up to normal, it's slowly moving back and sticking sort of halfway out. It eventually sort of frees itself, or you can stick your finger underneath the clutch pedal and release it that way. But obviously there's something wrong with the clutch, and the car's under a warranty, but when I need to get the warranty work done and the garage it gets done, it looks like there's a 3 or 4 week waiting list. So that has just absolutely scuppered all our plans to do anything, and it's really frustrating, really annoying. Yeah, so that means we don't have a tow car, so we can't tow the caravan anywhere, so we can't go anywhere in the caravan. Hopefully, if I take it to the garage, I said I might be able to slip it in between some other jobs and get it done quicker, but there's no guarantees on that. So at the moment, we are tow carless. I don't know. Anyway, I'll show you the pedal and what it does. So that's the clutch pedal, and you press it in obviously when you change your gear, and it goes to the bottom, and then when you release it, instead of it going back to this level, sort of sticking halfway back there, and then you can have to release it yourself. So I've been advised, and well, I know myself, not to drive the blooming thing. So that's that. We can't tow the caravan, so we can't get away. Hopefully get resolved reasonably quickly. We'll keep you updated. But anyway, we'll try and get some content out caravan related real soon. We'll keep you updated, as I say, and don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. And we'll see you guys soon, hopefully with a working tow car.